Kapag nag-resign po ang isang pollution control officer sa isang kumpanya para humanap ng ibang oportunidad, kailangan po ang managing head ng kumpanya ay mag-notify sa EMB Regional Office within 15 calendar days from the date of resignation ng PCO. At kailangan ang managing head magno-notify in writing na nag-resign na o na-terminate na yung services ng PCO at papalitan na ng bagong PCO ng kumpanya. So ang managing head ay nagpapasa ng letter at address po ito sa regional director ng concerned EMB regional office. Paano ba yung notification at ano ang sample na pwede nating ibigay? So, dito meron tayong sample ng resignation letter o pwedeng gamitin na sample para sa pag-notify sa EMB Regional Office. So, try natin gumawa ng isang notification letter pursuant to Section 9 of DAO 2014-02. So, una yung date kung kailan natin uh, i-notify ang EMB Regional Director. So, for example, January 5, 2025 at naka-address sa Regional Director, for example, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin. Siya ang Regional Director ng Environmental Management Bureau of DNR at yung region ay Region 4A. So, DNR EMB Region 4A at yung address. So, halimbawa, PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. And then we have here subject resignation letter as pollution control officer. And then, dear Director Metin, warm greetings. This is to inform your good office that, so halimbawa, ang pangalan ng PCO na nag-resign ay Engineer Juan de la Cruz, that Juan de la Cruz have resigned as Pollution Control Officer. Dito po yung name ng company. ABC Company Inc. Located at Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City, Batangas. Effective this fourth day of January 2025. So mula dito sa date na to, January 4, 2025, dapat within 15 days makapag-notify ang managing head. So ano yung details halimbawa nung PCO? So ganun pa din yung pangalan, Juan de la Cruz at yung kanyang PCO accreditation number. So halimbawa R4A 121234. And then, kung kailan na-grant yung accreditation certificate, halimbawa, February 15, 2023. At mag-expire ito sa February 15, 2026. Kung tutuusin, valid pa yung accreditation ng PCO, pero sa Section 9 ng DAO 2014-02, kapag nag-resign ang isang pollution control officer automatically revoke yung kanya accreditation. Kaya sa Section 9 ng DAO 2014-02, ina-advise na dapat magkaroon ng bagong PCO once na may nag-resign na PCO at sa loob ng 30 days ay magkaroon ng accreditation yung bagong PCO from the date na nag-resign naman yung dating PCO. So, since ang nagsasalita dito yung managing head, in connection with this, we hereby appoint or designate, ito po yung pangalan ng bago. So, for example, Engineer Mario S. Tan, our new PCO, effective January 6, 2025. At since 30 days naman ang palugit, habang hindi pa accredited na PCO si Engineer Mario Tan, ang magiging PCO muna, interim PCO, ay ang managing head. So mula rito sa statement na to, in connection with this, we hereby appoint or designate Engineer Mario Estan as our new PCO effective January 6, 2025 in conformity with Section 9 of DOUT 2014-02 in case of resignation or termination of pollution control officer. Thank you very much. Sincerely, lagay natin yung pangalan ng managing heads. For example, Jose S. Santos. Siya po ang managing head, halimbawa ng ABC Company Inc. Date signed January 5, 2025. So that's it. Ito po yung example ng ating notification letter na ipapasa ito sa EMB Regional Office dahil nagkaroon ng resignation or termination ng services ng PCO. So kung gusto niya pa pong matuto pa sa iba pang mga environmental compliance at mga requirements, just subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you very much and have a good day.